I'm not gonna be able to keep up with this dude. There's just no way in hell. I'm gonna get smoked. Tunnel time. I mean, I have my headphones and I ain't even listening to anything. I just want to listen to his cross playing, bruh. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I was not ready for that at all. Damn! Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. That was good. Damn. Yeah, I knew he was gonna smack me, but you know. Yes, sir. That thing's so dope. Look at this straightaway. Make sure there's no cops. If there's a cop, I'm screwed. Let's see if we can get a flyby. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes. You see that old man's face? That old man's like, these fucking assholes. Oh. That's dope. Let's go. This is the best day to be doing this too. I'm hyped, baby. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that sub button. Let's go. I don't know where to go. I never know where to go. Yeah, so what, it's a cross plane that's got 400 more cc's. Should smack me around all day. I know you guys want an R1 on the channel too. Or a leader bike, S1K maybe. Get him, get him! Yeah, he just takes, that thing takes off so fast. Cops ahead, oh no. Yeah, that crossplane sounds so good. Gosh. Because it sounds like it's so, it's one thing. Hey, what the hell you doing, boy? It's one thing when it's like you hear it over like video, but like in person it just sounds so good. Yeah, I'm actually surprised when I sat on it, it felt more comfortable than this. It's just, I don't know, and the nice freaking LED dash. Oh my lord. Ugh. Fucking potholes, bruh. I hate these Cleveland roads. Oh, I don't know if he has, I need to ask if he has, I don't know if it comes with an auto blipper or quick shifter. Damn, that thing's so fast. Pothole. Hey, we're back downtown, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God, I can't even say anything. Like, it's not even my bike. I'm so hyped for him, though. That thing is so sick. Ew, it smells. It smells like fish. Yucky. Is there an Indians game going on or what? Oh no, we lost him. That's not good. Oh, there he is. Is there a game going on?
Might be a cat game.
Oh yeah. Wait, what'd you have before? An R6?
Yeah, I had a 2000 R6.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, damn, there's definitely a Cavs game going on or something. It's busy. Gotta get some bird watching in here. Whew. That cross plane sounds so good.
That's pretty clean.
Wait, so is that a full titanium act?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. That's gotta save a lot of weight. Ooh, neutral. Ow, my ears! God. Damn, I gotta come down here more often. It feels good down here, nice and cool, right by the lake too. Are you going by the pier? Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Hey, does that have a quick shifter? Auto blip? Down?
I don't think it does down. It does up.
Okay.
I don't think this model did downshift.
That's sick though. Damn, it is so much cooler down here. Ooh! Oh, S1K. Oh, I love the S1Ks. Oh, it looks so good. You can get some dope photos. Alright, if you guys like that video, little R1 action. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for all the support so far. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.